I am really excited about bringing this on the truck and having some fun out there on the road. New toy!
But first, we're going to head here to Blue Springs State Park in Central Florida, located just north of Orlando. It's known for manatee watching, but has a lot of other things to offer as well. So Kevin is going to talk about the park, and at the same time, he will give you a review of the HOVSCO folding e-bike, which we just got. Also, by the way, we got you a discount from HOVSCO. So if you're interested in buying one of these, then stick around to the end of the video. We'll give you that code. The link for purchasing it will be down below. I just want to say, for us, trucking includes seeing the country, exploring new places. So having this on the truck really helps Kevin to cover more areas when he's on his reset and have a lot more fun out there. Welcome to the Joy of Trucking. Let's go.
Ready to go. So far, the bike ride's very smooth on these paths, and in the sand, I have no problem with traction because of these fat balloon tires. I notice, even though I'm only on the first setting for motor assist, it seems to sense how much pressure I'm putting on the pedal. So if I'm starting from a dead stop like this and I really pushing to get going, the motor helps that much more. When you're just pedaling gently along, the motor's not pushing hard at all. So it really senses how hard you're working and how much it can help. That's a good feature. The brakes are very positive. I have good control, good stopping control. Balance is good. It feels like a solid machine, but with a gentle ride. Manatees in there. See the buoy? There's a gator right over there. You see on the far side? Just swimming along the surface. I like the color and I like the comfort. People kayaking. There's manatees in there today, which is rare at this time of year. You come here in the winter and there's like a couple of hundred of them in here. So we're here at Blue Springs State Park in Central Florida on the St. Johns River, and there's a spring up the cut here, quite a ways actually, a few hundred yards. There's a spring that just bubbles up out of the ground, and because it's a constant temperature all year of 72 degrees, when it's cold in the winter months, the river gets pretty cold, so the manatee come up here to warm up. And there's been as many as 800 of them in this cut at the same time, trying to warm up. But now in the summer, you'll only see a few. There's one over there. So they tag the ones that have been rehabilitated. So often they'll get hurt by boats and stuff like that, and they'll bring them here to recover. So they put the buoy on so they can keep an eye on them. It's a beautiful spot with all the oak trees and the Spanish moss. There's a house over there. It used to be the property of a family, and they built a pier, and this was a riverboat stop. There were boats that went up and down the St. Johns River back in the 1800s, and this was a stop. So people would come here and they would ship out produce, the mail would come in, the people would come from the town to get stuff. You can rent kayaks down here on the waterfront. We did that in the winter and saw some mighty big gators and a lot of birds, a lot of wildlife here. They also have pontoon boats that take a lot of people, so they have a tour. They take you up and down and show you a lot of stuff. But it was pretty fun in a kayak. There's a gift shop and lots of parking and picnic tables. It's a great place to spend the day, especially on my HOVSCO bike. There's some cool trails here I want to try out. Right, just driving down the middle of the road. I got 7 gears. I can click them up to 7th now, and the pedal assist just keeps me moving nice and smooth. I'm hardly doing any work at all. And this is only on setting number 1. Doing 6 miles an hour. Take it down. Let's try assist level 3. Oh, ganz ruhig, Braune. Woo! Good brakes. There, slow it down. Just a nice, calm, relaxing ride through the Florida bush. Very comfortable. The seat's comfortable. Good padding. The front forks have them shocks, so it absorbs the shock of a lot of the bumps. And those big fat tires sure help too. I'm going to try a little sand here. Piece of cake. Take it down to 3rd gear. Just on assist number 1. Not even working hard. If I did want to work hard, I'd give it more pedal and the motor keeps up, keeps pushing me ahead. I could do this all day. All right, let's race. Seventh gear, 20 miles an hour. Still on assist level number 1, but I'm hardly working at all. Now on level 2, climbing a hill, still in top gear. Woo! Better be careful, the speed limit's 25 here. Let's put it on assist level 3 and take this next hill. It looks a little steeper, but still in 7th gear, top gear. "21 miles an hour, 19 miles an hour, still going strong. Wow, that was fun. Wonder if I can get all the way home. Bye-bye, Blue Springs. Some sand on the forks there. Sticky. There. Done. Easy peasy. I really enjoyed riding the HOVSCO folding e-bike. It was great. It was comfortable. It was enjoyable. I think I looked pretty good too. I can't wait to explore the trails around here. And there are a lot of them here in Central Florida. It's going to be fun. So when I got this bike on the truck, I'll be able to scoot around and find different things and explore and go shopping and everything. And no matter how much I buy, it should handle it because it has a capacity of 450 pounds total. So I'm really looking forward to getting this thing on the truck and checking out America. All right, thumbs up if you liked the video, comments down below, tell me what you think of e-bikes and if you tried one. Hit the subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and we'll see you down the road. Bye for now. Now, we got you a really cool discount on a HOVSCO e-bike. So you can get $100 off if you use the code KEVIN100. KEVIN100, got it? Check the link down below. And my HOVSCO folding e-bike has a carrying capacity of over 400 pounds. So they're pretty sturdy little bikes. And this one fits in the truck. I got it up there in the top bunk. It's a foldable e-bike. Very practical for the truck. I can fold it up, get it in the door, and put it on the top bunk. All right, ready to hit the road for adventure.